Hello and welcome. Today we're going to go through a 5-minute beginner meditation practice. First, find yourself in a comfortable position, tuning in to how your body is feeling as you allow yourself to sink in and relax in this present moment. Find your breath. At your own pace and rhythm, remain focused on your breathing, noticing your inhale, how deep your breath reaches, and your exhale, how completely you are able to release air from your body. As you're focused on your breathing, feel what it's like to be in your body right now. Notice any areas of tension that you may find and gently release them. Bringing awareness to your posture, allowing your muscles to relax and sink deeper into your position. As you breathe, paying no mind to any thoughts that may come and go as you try to find stillness in this present moment. Always returning to the breath as you inhale, deeply filling the lungs all the way down to your belly where you fill the diaphragm with air, gently holding before slowly releasing all of the air, deflating your belly like a balloon and expelling all the air from your lungs. And pausing before slowly taking another deep breath in through the nose, filling up the low belly, filling up the diaphragm until you reach your lungs. Slowly holding once you're full and exhaling, letting all of that air be expelled from your body as you empty yourself. Concentrating on the rhythm of your breathing as you bring awareness to your body in this moment. Notice any points of tension that may come up for you. Breathing into those areas as you focus on the breath, letting them relax and be at ease from tension as you exhale. With each breath falling deeper and deeper into a state of stillness, not allowing any thoughts to carry you away or distract you from this moment. Maybe your eyes are gently closed, ensuring the muscles in your face are gently relaxed. Any tension held in your shoulders is put at ease. All the way down to your chest, stomach, hips, legs, and feet. Allowing your body to relax deeper and deeper into this moment of stillness as you focus again on your breathing. Inhaling deeply through the nose, allowing it to fill you up to your brim before slowly exhaling, finding your rhythm as you concentrate on your breath. In this space that you are creating for yourself, you find peace. There is nothing wrong in this present moment. You have everything that you need, and all is well. Know that this space that you've created for yourself in this moment, that it is safe, and it is always accessible to you at any time. There is never anything so deeply wrong that you cannot appreciate and enjoy and exist within the present moment. It's a matter of attention and practice. As you continue to breathe, focusing on finding your rhythm with your breath and focusing on sitting deeper into a state of relaxation in your whole body. Feel yourself become at peace with the stillness. Feel the gratitude fill your heart for this time and effort that you've put into your own self. Feel the love emanate from your core as you continue to breathe and relax your body. Feeling the stillness of the present moment, where there is nothing but the warmth in your heart and the breath in your body as you continue to breathe. Whenever you're ready, you may begin to slowly bring your awareness back into the space around you, turning outwards from the body into the environment which you find yourself. As you open your eyes and thank yourself for taking this time to practice peace. Namaste.